Sports in Denmark are divided in associations indifferent to the United States, where it's mainly in schools. This means that if we go to a sport, we do it after school in our spare time, and it can be any time of the
We have
day.
Team Denmark, which is a governmental organization who organizes the elite sports in Denmark. Each year, Team Denmark gets $19 million to help develop young talents, and the money goes to coaches, training facilities, and so on. Team Denmark have 20 different sports they support financially, sports like soccer, handball, swimming, cycling, and badminton.
Team Denmark's main focus is to develop the elite sports and to optimize their talents as much as they can. They cooperate with Aarhus, Syddansk, and Copenhagen University to make sure that their training is up to date so they can get the best results.
Team Denmark's athletes is between 12 and around 40 years old. Right now, Team Denmark is getting a bit threatened by the fitness hype coming to Denmark. This means that Team Denmark and the associations lose a lot of money and the elite athletes training suffer.